Hi friends, it's Miss Sarah at the library and I'm going to show you a simple version of the origami crane so you can work on those at home. Okay, to fold a simple version of the crane, you're going to get your piece of paper out, colored side up, and you're going to get the corners together. And the better you can line them up, the nicer your crane is going to look when you're finished. So it looks like a triangle. You're going to do the same thing on the other corner. Okay, now you're going to flip it so the color side is down. And we're going to make rectangles and put the corners together. I'm going to open it up and do the same thing on the other side. So now you've got some nice lines all through your paper. You're going to make it into a little diamond shape. Okay, and so the bottom part here should be open and the top's got your point. You're going to make it look like a kite. I'm going to take the corner and fold it into the middle. It's going to look like this. You're going to flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So it looks like a nice kite. You're going to open up the flaps that you just folded, bend this top part down, and just bend it as far as the edges here where you have your creases. Flip it over and go the other way. Okay, you're almost there. We're going to open up the top. You're going to pull it to make a long, skinny diamond. And again, flip it over. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so you've got a long, skinny diamond. You've got the point right here. You're going to grab onto that and flip it over. You're going to take this little leg and just flip a little triangle out for the head, and you're all done.